with a teddy bear in hand, dreaming of a love only she could understand. Her heart was heavy like a stone in the sea. Daddy was a ghost she'd never see. But the world spins and angels play their part. A man came along and healed her heart. He gave her love she'd never known, built her a home she could call her own. She'd wait by the window with tears in her eyes, hoping for a face to appear in the skies. But the years passed and silence remained. Her heart carried both love and pain. But the world spins and angels play their part. A man came along and healed her heart. He gave her love she'd never known, built her a home she could call her own. He taught her how to ride a bike in the rain, stayed up all night to soothe her pain. He may not share the blood in her veins, but love's a bond that forever remains. Now she stands in her wedding gown so white, looking at the man who gave her the light. Her hand in his, she whispers so true, thank you for being the dad